In this video, we will show you how to install Summit XPS insulation board over Purlin. This type of installation is ideal for industrial, commercial, and retail applications, as well as agricultural structures. Before we start, here are a few application guidelines to assist you. You can pause the video now to read through these. Prior to installation, wipe the boards with a solution of water and dishwashing liquid to remove static charge and prevent dust from sticking to the surface. Lay the boards from apex to eave, always starting and ending on a purlin. If butt joints are necessary, make sure they are centered on top of a purlin with a 5 mm expansion gap. Join the boards lengthwise using the tongue and groove profile and lock them together tightly. Fix the roof sheets to the Summit XPS insulation board using roof screws so that the boards are secured between the purlins and the roof sheets. Keep note of the maximum recommended purlin spacing and allow for a 15 mm deflection at mid-span. Use profiled roof enclosures or cover strips where exposed boards can be damaged. Once the installation is complete, paint the Summit XPS insulation board with 2 coats of water-based matte PVA paint for an aesthetically pleasing finish. Care and maintenance. You can pause the video to read through these tips now. We hope this installation guide has been helpful. Please visit our website for more information.